Hello, crazy math nerds. It is the craziest math nerd of all, Kitty Morgan here, to talk to you a little bit about some calculus. So, in the previous video, I did part A, and in this video, we're going to do part B, which talks about finding the instantaneous rate of change of G. We know from the first semester that's just a code word for find the derivative, right? The instantaneous rate of change of G. It's just really asking you for G prime, and it said at x equals 1, so we're going to look at 1. Well, how do you do that if G is defined as an accumulator function? So let's go over here and let's write the relationship of G to F. And you know what? I think that if you take the derivative of both sides, so I'm going to write that, the derivative of both sides, this looks very similar to a little theorem we talked about the other day, that second fundamental theorem of calculus, that said if you take the derivative of an integral from constant to variable function, right, then you just get the function with that variable replaced inside. And I told y'all this would come in handy, and now it's fixing to come in handy. So what I'd like to do, instead of writing 1, I'm going to write an x. I mean, well, you know what? That is what I want to find. I want to find that. That's my ultimate goal. But I need to find g prime first. So let's do that. So g prime of x is the derivative of this guy, which we talked about, right? And the second fundamental theorem of calculus is simply f of x. Are you kidding me? I know, isn't that the coolest theorem? It just makes things so simple. So if I want to find g of 1, so I know that's what I want to find. I know that's the relationship now. Then really what I want to do is find f at 1. So in this case, I want to go find the value of this function. This is f at 1. Well, let me go look. 1 is 4. So g prime of 1 is f of 1, which is 4. Oh my gosh, that is so cool. And that's so easy. And that's all you do. I know. All right, so that's it for part B. Come back for part C, would you? Thanks.